This is Paul. Tomorrow, Paul is visiting his friend David. David has invited Paul to show him his new micro CHP plant, with which he is doing cogeneration. David wants to know what opinion Paul has on this. But Paul doesn't understand at all what David is talking about, and the words are buzzing around his head. What does this all mean? What does CHP stand for, and what is cogeneration? Don't panic, Paul, we'll explain it to you. CHP stands for combined heat and power, and describes the same principle as cogeneration. A CHP plant is used to gain power and useful heat at the same time. Paul wants to know what a CHP plant looks like. No problem, Paul. A CHP plant consists of a combustion engine, which can be operated with diesel, vegetable oil or gas, and a generator. Often there is a heat storage tank and a backup boiler connected to this module. Depending on the size, you also speak of a mini, micro or nano CHP plant. A micro CHP plant has approximately the size of a fridge and produces between 2.5 and 15 kilowatt. Paul is delighted, but he still doesn't quite understand how a CHP plant is supposed to work. We'll show it to you, Paul. When generating power by means of a motor and a generator, heat is produced. This heat is called waste heat and is usually lost. In a CHP plant, this heat is captured though, and is directly used for heating or saved in a heat storage tank for use at a later time. If there the heat isn't needed right on site, it is forwarded to the local heat network. Cogeneration is very versatile, since you can use different types of primary energy, and it even has an efficiency between 80 and 90%. Paul thinks that combined heat and power is a really good thing. He finds it great that with this system waste heat doesn't get lost anymore. Now he can talk about cogeneration and CHP plants with David tomorrow without any problems, and he's excited to see his micro CHP plant.